Part 1 of restocking my fridge and having my first period. I forgot to add the pizza box right now. Get in, stupid. That paper. Go inside. Get that one. Pop it. Sis, wake up. Oh, what? You and me have our periods together. You and me have periods. We do. I'm not laughing, guys. I'm just laughing at what I'm watching. Why do we have to get our periods now? Like, we just could have got them yesterday or like next year, next month. Like, why? Why now? But that's fine. I guess that's how life is. Oh shoot, I forgot the bathroom. Guys, I always forget to put the things. Wait, what else do I have to add this? I think I like this little life. Okay, let's go change your pads in the bathroom. Are you freaking kidding me? I forgot the kettle thing. I'll just use this, I don't care. So that's good. Okay, I'm so relieved. Yeah, me too. Let's go get some food, actually, because I'm pretty hungry. And I have really big cravings right now. Yeah, me too. We don't have food. I know. Where do we get the food, though? I really want to get food. I want pickles. I guess we have to go buy some groceries. Oh yeah. Okay. I guess we just need to throw all of these in the trash can. Let's go buy some food. We just need to take a shower first. Okay, go in and take a shower together. stop. I mean, let's just brush our teeth later, right? Because we're gonna come back. Yeah. Okay, get this money. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Go there, sir! Okay, I don't know what they're walking to. Oh my gosh, wait, I'm gonna go get a bag. Okay, so I really want strawberry milk and chocolate milk with some cheese. With them eggs. Okay, can put the eggs in there. Okay. And then I'll also get. I really want noodles. Okay, I'll get some noodles. They're not noodles. Get some noodles. What else? What's that? I don't know. Okay, let's go check out. Okay, ma'am, here's your money. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.